All right, today, boys and girls, we are going to teach you guys two different basketball passing techniques. One of the techniques that we're going to introduce to you first is called a bounce pass. With the bounce pass, you have both feet kind of shoulders length apart. You're going to step into it. It's a stepping motion. This knee bends at a 45-degree angle. This back leg stays extended, depending on what leg you are. You're gonna bounce the ball, it's gonna hit the center, and bounce right back up to the player that you're bouncing the ball to. It's gotta be quick, otherwise the ball can be stolen. Ready? Here we go. That's your bounce pass techniques. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave some comments at the bottom and make sure you practice these at least a couple of times a day, and that's the way you're going to get better. Thank you.